Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 4 lays out specific requirements for service of process. The rule requires delivering the summons and the complaint to the defendant personally, to his or her home, or to an authorized agent. Must a plaintiff comply strictly with Rule 4, or is it enough that the plaintiff takes a good whack at serving the defendant? In Mid-Continent Wood Products v. Harris, the court decides that giving it your best shot isn't enough for valid service of process. In 1980, Lawrence Harris, owner of Harris Plywood, ordered 3 shipments of lumber from Mid-Continent Wood Products. Mid-Continent delivered the lumber, but Harris never paid. Mid-Continent sued Harris for breach of contract and obtained a default judgment for roughly $28,000. Mid-Continent chose not to execute the judgment. Instead of seizing Harris's property, it opted to accept a promissory note from Harris for the money owed. Still, Harris didn't pay, so Mid-Continent filed a new suit to collect on the promissory note. Mid-Continent made several failed attempts to serve Harris with a summons and complaint. It tried to serve Harris personally, but didn't find him. It also attempted service by certified mail at Harris's work address, but Harris didn't receive the mailing. It tried serving Harris at home, sending the process server to 13 Secor Drive, Port Washington, New York, but Harris's address was 15 Secor Drive. In June of 1983, Mid-Continent sent Harris and Harris's attorney in the prior lawsuit a letter advising them of an upcoming status hearing. This mailing provided Harris with notice of the suit, and the attorney entered negotiations with Mid-Continent. But the mailing didn't contain the summons and complaint. In July of 1983, the court entered a default judgment against Harris. 6 years later, Mid-Continent found and attempted to execute on some of Harris's assets. Harris filed a motion to vacate the default judgment for improper service of process. The district court denied Harris's motion, and he appealed to the Seventh Circuit.